Hello to all the viewers. So, this is an interview session with Dr. Ravi Prakash Singh, who is ranked 4 in the DM Neurology entrance exam of NIMHANS. So, hearty congrats and welcome to Dr. Ravi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so Ravi, ranked 4 in the topmost institute of neurology in the country. What is that feeling that you have in your mind now?
I'm very happy, sir. I'm really very happy. And particularly after not getting a seat in the AIMS and PGI institute, sir, I was highly dejected. But somehow, sir, I cleared in NIMHANS. It's a very happy feeling, sir. And to get in a premier institute like this, it means a lot to me, sir.
Okay. All right. So definitely the viewers would want to know from him on his preparation strategies. So in this interview also, we'll try to extract from Ravi, like how he prepared. So how's the journey like to get into a top institute like NIMHANS? So Ravi,
Yes.
we'll start with the introduction part, like your MBBS days and MD. So where did you do your MBBS and MD from?
Yes, sir. MBBS I did from RD Gardi Medical College, Ujjain, sir, and DNB medicine I completed from Bombay Hospital, sir. And I finished my DNB medicine from Bombay Hospital in November 19. And from November 19 to November 20, sir, I was in practice. And from last November, sir, I started practicing, preparing for neurology entrance, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just let us know, like, see, after DNB, you were practicing and then, you started preparing again.
Yes, sir.
So when was this thought that, okay, neurology is the specialty that I want? Okay, I want to be a neurologist. So when did that thought come in? Was it from the MBBS days or residency days, or was it a post DNB decision?
Yes, sir. So actually, during my PG days, sir, I was quite unsure whether I have to pursue super specialty or not because I liked medicine very much, sir. I wanted to practice medicine only. But I was sure that if at all I went on to go on to do the super specialty part, then I will do that in neurology only. This was because there were two extraordinary neurology consultants, sir, in my DNB PG institute, sir. One is from Sri Chitra, sir. And the teachings that he gave us, sir, very fascinating, sir. I used to attend his clinics and whatever lectures that he used to take, sir, he always motivated me to prepare for neurology, sir. So from there only, I decided that if at all I went on to do the super specialty, then I will do it in neurology only, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's great. Obviously, it is great teachers who mentor students. I'm sure that, he has mentored a very good student like you also. Okay,
Yes,
so you have chosen neurology because of that. Great. Now coming to the entrance exams. See, the initial exam that you wrote was the NEET SS, correct? No?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir. Yes,
that time, did you prepare well, or is it like you gave just a casual shot at the exam?
No, sir, I did not prepare, sir. Actually, I told you that I was in practice and I just wrote the NEET SS as a trial attempt, sir. And I barely qualified in that NEET SS exam. And then also, even after that, sir, I did not study. But in November, one of my very good friends, sir, he got selected in NEET SS. His rank was 20, sir. He told me that I should prepare and I may get a good seat if I prepare well. I have the potential and I can do that. So I started preparing in AIMS. From AIMS 1, I think I started preparing. So there was an exam, AIMS in November, 19th November, the AIMS was there. So I started preparing for that. And I got 38 marks, sir, in theory, AIMS. So then I realized it actually boosted my confidence, sir, because I thought that this is just to reach the maybe 40. Maybe I would have qualified if I were to have reached the 40 marks. So I decided that I should sincerely study and prepare for the exam, and I may get a good seat in upcoming NEET. At that time, I did not think much about the institute exams, but I decided that I will start preparation from here on, and I will focus myself only towards the neurology entrance exam, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So with that in mind, you then actually prepared, and then you gave a serious shot later in the next AIMS exam as well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In the AIMS exam, I did not qualify, but I was having a good mark, sir. In December, I joined your Telegram group, sir, in which you used to discuss and you put some videos of the toppers from the institute, like the interview sessions of Dr. Vatsala ma'am and Dr. Pooja ma'am. That
many
motivated
students
me,
actually tell me, those two interviews, because
in fact, sir, even just before NIMHANS, I watched those interviews, sir. Yes, sir. Because the things that they told in the interview that actually tell you how to prepare in the exam, sir, and they motivated me, sir. Throughout this 8 months period, sir, your interview session definitely, sir, motivated me very much, sir, very much.
Yeah.
And from December, I started seriously
Pooja and
preparing for it.
Valsala, they are actually like last year students of mine. And
Yes, sir. Yes,
Pooja
sir.
is now in AIMS and Valsala is now in NIMHANS. And I'm
Yes, sir.
sure that many of the students have told me their interviews, they were very clear in their perspective for entrance exam preparations, and it actually helped them as well. So
Yes, sir.
then, you started following, me in the Telegram group, and then, you started your preparation for AIMS.
Yes,
So
sir.
first, let me ask you one thing for the students.
Yes,
See,
sir.
how do you contrast the pattern of AIMS with that of NIMHANS? Because I know that in the next AIMS, you have qualified to the round 2. So,
Yes, sir.
and you narrowly missed, the interview round.
Yes,
So
sir.
how do you compare and contrast, AIMS exam versus NIMHANS?
Yes, sir. Sir, in AIMS exam, the good thing is there is no medicine part, sir. They usually ask only neurology question. And there are 2 rounds in AIMS, sir. In the first round, there is an MCQ round in which there are 80 questions, sir. Out of which there will be 70 core neurology questions, 65 to 70 questions that are purely from neurology and from nowhere else. And not even from pediatric neurology, because there were different examples for pediatric neurology as well.
Yes.
So there you have an edge because you don't have to read medicine for that. Apart from that, there will be 5 to 6 questions, I think, sir, from statistics, and 3 or 4 from general medicine questions. Sir. Otherwise, it's a purely neurology-based exam. In that MCQ round, you have to make at least 50% marks to qualify the exam, because they select 3 times of the candidates and 3 times of the seats available, and then they ask them for interview round. In the interview round, there are 20 marks, sir. So out of which you have to score, and the selection will be based on the total marks that you have obtained in the interview along with the theory marks, sir. In contrast to AIMS, sir, NIMHANS is a bit different exam, sir, because there are 30 to 40 questions from medicine part as well. So you have to read medicine in NIMHANS for NIMHANS as well. This time around, sir, somehow NIMHANS exam was a bit easier, sir, a lot easier. And the medicine questions are also, I think, sir, not more than 25 to 30 questions. Most of the questions are neurology based. And in the medicine part also, there are more or less related to neurology as well. So this time the pattern has a bit changed in NIMHANS, but and definitely some medicine questions will come in the NIMHANS as well. Okay. And in NIMHANS, there will be 100 questions, sir. Only MCQ round is there. There is no interview in the NIMHANS. Yes, sir.
So that, for the viewers, that clarifies how the exam pattern is. And now coming to the AIMS, you qualified round 1. And,
yes, sir.
In round 2, I know that you were a very deserving candidate, because I had conducted mock interview sessions for all of you as well. And,
yes, sir.
most in our group, in fact, got all the top ranks in the AIMS exam. Yes, but personally, for me also, I also talked with you after that. I know that you also deserved, but somehow, you could not actually crack the interview round. So how was that feeling, because see, students who are watching this interview, they might have a feeling that, see, Dr. Ravi Prakash, NIMHANS rank 4, a very successful doctor now. So life might be all about success, but how was that failure also? Because that day where it was, I always say that failure is always temporary. So how was that day, and how did you actually, like after the AIMS results, how did you actually come back?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, actually, after the interview, my interview was not good, sir. So I thought I may not be getting a good seat. I thought I may get selected, but when the results came, sir, I was in waiting 3 and I was highly dejected, sir. Then I messaged you, sir, regarding my failure, and I told you that sir, I did not went up to the expectations of yours, sir, because you trained us, sir. You trained us. You trained us for nearly 1.5 months, sir. You took almost every alternate day. You took mock interviews for us, and I attended all the interviews, sir. And what I should tell you, sir, though I was not selected, but that preparation, sir, during that 1.5 months, sir, that definitely helped me in NIMHANS as well. So because what happened is during that period, sir, in May and June, all the exams were delayed. So many of the students almost lost the link towards the exam because there was no upcoming exam. but because you kept us motivated through those interviews, sir. And you took almost daily, alternate day, you were taking interviews. So we had something to read for, and we were reading in that particular phase as well. So that
Yeah,
was
I was
very
giving you
beneficial, sir.
topic wise also, like
Yes, yes,
to
yes, yes, sir.
prepare for the interview. In between random, some days, I would ask random also,
Yes, sir.
just to
So that
make
was
you prepare.
very beneficial. Yes, that was
Yeah.
very beneficial. Then I messaged you, sir, that I have failed. Then you sent me a voice message, sir. And you told me that I something good is waiting for me, and that motivated, sir. That motivated me very much. In fact, in upcoming days for last 1 month, I have read that, I have listened to that voice message nearly 15, 20 times, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, that is great, like great to hear. So,
Yes, sir.
because, at a moment of failure, sometimes there is a chance that you might feel dejected and it
Yes, sir.
affects your preparation.
Yes, sir.
So for all the viewers, just understand that it is okay to fail. Everybody will fail at some or the other point. Ravi has, I have, everybody at some point of life, experiences failure, but it's about how you come back. So Ravi, like after that age, so how did that 1 month, remember now this 1 month from a temporary failure, you are now in India's topmost institute in a 1 month. So
Yes,
how
sir.
did you keep yourself motivated in this particular 1 month?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I had finished Harrison 3 times, sir, before AIMS only. And from there, I had made good notes of Harrison. So I did not read Harrison in the last 1 month, sir. In last 1 month, I have read only and only notes from notes which I had made from Harrison. And apart from that, I finished almost all the questions of your question bank, sir, in the doc tutorials app, sir. All the questions in the question bank. And I also gave the tests that you conducted, and the test series. Apart from that, I used to solve the test, the one mock test you have kept in the doctorals app as well. So I used to assess myself after giving that test as well. So I used to continue. My main focus was to just revise, because I had read already all the things. I just had to revise that, sir. Medicine part, I was a bit weaker in medicine part, sir. So I tried to solve as many questions as possible from your doctorals question bank of the medicine, sir. And I gave the medicine tests as well, and tried to revise most of the medicine notes that I had made during my PG days. Apart from that, I also listened to the video that you made with the interview with Dr. Vatsala ma'am, sir. That motivated me, and I thought I have a good chance, because many candidates already left in the PGI and AIMS. So I thought mock exams that you conducted for NIMHANS, there also I was ranked one, sir. So
Yeah,
I
you are
thought,
rank one
yes,
in
yes, sir.
that mock interview session also. That's
Yes, sir. Yes,
great.
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
then finally
So
you got,
that boosted. Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's great. And I think, even rank one, Sumant was actually rank 5 in that
Yes, sir.
particular mock exam. So,
Yes,
it's
sir.
all of you are actually equally talented. It's just that on the
Yes,
day of exam, who performs better.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, see, I just want to take your feedback on the lectures of doc tutorials, like,
Yes, sir.
because some students have the doubt, okay, is it enough if we read Harrison? Did listening to the lectures make any difference in your preparation?
So certainly, sir. Certainly. Actually, I joined Doctor Trails in March, sir. Mid March, I joined Doctor Trails, and I remember, sir, the first test that I gave, headache test it was, sir. And I got first rank in that, and you talked to me, sir. You told me that I should prepare for institute exams. Then I realized that I can crack the institute exams as well. And from there on, I decided that I won't make a big target. I will just focus on each and every test that you take from there, and I will try to finish as many tests as possible. And so I gave the test in the March and April, and after that you put the doctor's video, sir. So during my from AIMS exam, the MCQ exam up to the AIMS interview part, so I watched almost each and every module that you put in the doctoral, sir. Almost there are 67, 68 modules are there. And particularly, sir, I'm grateful to you that you made stroke part so easy, sir. So easy. You have 7.5 hours of lecture is there, sir, on stroke that you have put on. And in that, sir, you have completed the neuroanatomy part, the localization in neurology part. Sir, brilliant, sir. Fantastic, sir. Very, very good, sir. Very good. Yes,
I
sir.
think, I purposefully actually made that module longer,
Yes,
because
sir.
see, modules like dementia, multiple sclerosis, or maybe Parkinson's, see, these are topics, which can be easily discussed.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
stroke, if you just discuss the important theory aspects alone, you will not have conceptual knowledge, which is why the
Yes.
stroke module, I made it in such a way that, first of all, right from the blood supply to the basics. And remember, we started that module with the
Yes, sir.
basic
Yes, sir.
principles
Yes,
of
yes, sir. Yes.
localization itself.
So in fact, I did not read anything apart from that, sir.
Yeah.
That is more than enough for any exam, sir. That is more than enough, that module, sir.
Yeah, because
Regarding
many
neurology,
students
yes, sir.
simply by heart the stroke syndromes and go. So I wanted
Yes,
to
sir.
make it a point that they should conceptually understand, okay, what
Yes, sir.
exactly happens, when there is an infarct in a particular territory, how the patient will clinically manifest. And we have covered many radiology images also,
Yes,
other
sir.
than
Yes,
the
sir.
neurology.
So nearly 120 images are there, sir. The
Yeah, okay. So
neuroradiology. Yes.
you have a better recollection of images. Even I do not know what is
Yes,
the
sir.
number of
Yes,
images.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So see, so you have actually watched the module, and
Yes, sir.
so just one doubt, like for NIMHANS, since you have secured rank 4,
Yes,
see,
sir.
suppose if I am a candidate, first of all, I want to know, is Harrison important?
Yes, sir.
Neurology important? Second is Harrison alone enough? These are the two queries that I have, from a student perspective that I'm asking.
Yes, sir. Sir, definitely, sir, you should be thorough with Harrison, sir. Sir, Harrison should be done at minimum 3 readings of Harrison is must. Apart from that, we should make notes from Harrison. And once you are done with Harrison, then there are few topics which should be done from Bradley as well, sir. Particularly epilepsy, sir. Epilepsy, movement disorders, and the neuro-ophthal part. So many people used to ask that from where do we have to study the neuro-ophthal part? Sir, I remember you conducted the mock interview session, sir, in about the neuro-ophthal parts, the supranuclear disturbances, sir. So I read neuro-ophthal part of Bradley that day, sir. And then I decided that I will read some bit of neurology, Bradley as well. Till that time, I did not read Bradley at all. And now also, sir, I have read only 4 and 5 things from Bradley, neuro-ophthal, the EEG and epilepsy, EMG and NCV part, sir.
Yeah, I still remember, I giving specific targets,
Yes,
you
yes,
read
yes,
this
sir.
for a particular day during that preparation
Yes,
phase
sir.
in our group as well. So
Yes, sir.
how was the,
So-
the group, the exams? Because see, when you are amidst so many good students, preparing for exams, you
Yes,
tend
sir.
to uplift your preparation strategy as well,
Yes,
correct?
yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes. In fact, sir, there were 12 of us who joined your group, sir, during the mock interview session, and I think 10 got selected, sir.
Yeah.
And they were all brilliant, sir. They were all, and we had a competition amongst us only. So it was wonderful, sir. It was wonderful. Those 1.5 months, I will never forget, sir.
Yeah. So personally, also, like, after that exam, also a few students, like one is, Nikita is there. Nikita
Yes,
also
sir.
that time could not get into AIIMS, but now she is rank 3.
Yes,
So
sir.
both of you actually have got into NIMHANS. So
Because
it
that
is,
helped, sir. That interview session helped, sir. Actually,
Yeah.
we continued to study during that period, sir. During that period, we continued to study. And sir, one more thing I want to clear that some people ask that where to read the MCQs from. So, sir, MCQ, the doc tutorials MCQ question bank is extremely very, very good, sir. Very good. Because what you have done is you have put the explanation from the Bradley, sir. So we don't have to read Bradley apart from that.
Exactly.
That is more than enough.
I
Yes, yes, sir.
see when we have the total doc tutorials neurology was also like, so I've covered the lectures in detail.
Yes,
But
sir.
about the exam series that I put separately, weekly we are putting,
Yes,
those
sir.
exams will be mainly based on Harrison as well as my lectures.
Bradley. Yes, sir.
But there will be some students who would want to have a Bradley perspective as well, because preparing for the Central Institute. So that
Yes, sir.
part is mainly in the question bank. So
Yes, sir.
if one actually goes for everything, that is the video lectures, plus
Yes, sir.
the weekly exams that I'm conducting, plus, the question bank, which you have done. So it actually gives them a 360-degree perspective of all
Yes,
things,
yes, sir.
so that
Yes, sir.
exam preparation is also easy. So
Yes,
actually,
sir.
I'm
So-
very happy, that you, Nikita, got. There is one more student, maybe I'll tell it in the next interview after the next institute exam, who is again
Yes, sir.
very close to me, who was there in the group also. I feel he was a very deserving person. He did not write the
Yes, sir.
NIMHANS, but he
Yes,
could
sir.
not
Yes, sir.
crack because he did not apply for the NIMHANS.
Yes,
But
sir. Yes, sir.
he had qualified round 1 in the interview. So
Yes, sir.
I genuinely feel, he deserves a top rank, and I'm sure that I will do an interview with him in the next session. So I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
saying
Yes,
the
sir.
name now. So
Yes,
maybe
sir.
I'll
Yes, sir.
reserve it for the next session. I'm sure that Ravi knows who is it. So,
Yes,
but
sir. Yes, sir. I talked to him today only.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
I think, he
Yes, sir.
deserves it. I am sure
Yes, sir.
he'll
Yes,
work
sir.
hard. And I
Yes, sir.
told him also that this is just a temporary failure. You
Yes,
just
sir.
keep working hard, even more than what you are doing now.
Yes, sir.
Definitely, you will be successful. I'm sure. I'll be sitting
Yes, sir.
opposite to him and,
Mhm.
asking for an interview next
Yes, sir.
time.
Yes, sir.
Very good student, very good doctor. And he has a
Yes,
good
sir.
perspective of things as well. So
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
really,
Yes, sir.
I also respect him from that point of view. All
Yes, sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
So Ravi, just to sum up, you have actually done all the lectures. So you have got a rank in.
One more book is there, sir, which I want to suggest, sir. I want to recommend that book, sir. I read Esteban Cheng, the Comprehensive Clinical Neurology MCQ book, sir.
Okay.
And so that Cheng, Esteban Cheng is the name, sir. The Comprehensive
Okay.
Clinical MCQ book,
Okay.
sir. That is such an interesting book, sir. I finished almost all of that because sir, there are 50, 60 questions in almost each and every chapter that it has, and it used to cover the whole of the topic, sir. So
Great.
some
Great.
students asked me about that. So that's very good book, sir. Very good book, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, all in all, we are very proud of your achievement,
Thank you,
rank
sir.
for
Thank you so much, sir.
NIMHANS. So, how are everyone feeling at home? Because I know that after the exam, you got a score of 80.75, correct? No?
Yes, 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 sir.
80.7. So,
Yes,
you
sir.
messaged me at that moment when you saw that score on screen and you came out.
Yes,
Did you
yes,
think that this score is going to get you? Because I'm sure that you know that the exam cutoff is a slightly easier exam this time. So
yes,
once you
yes, sir.
started knowing a couple of ranks, what was
Yes,
going
sir.
through your mind? Did you think this is going to fetch me? Because I know that message that you send me a message like, this is my score, and a couple of messages later, is this
Yes,
going to
sir.
get me in rank 5?
Yeah,
Okay,
yes, sir.
within
Yes, sir.
rank 5, because I knew that you wanted this exam so badly. Okay, you
Yes,
gave
yes, sir. Yes,
everything
sir.
that you have. So what did you
Yes, sir.
think?
Because sir, NEET is very uncertain, sir. NEET is very uncertain. We don't know when will it happen. So I
Yeah.
wanted to get in NIMHANS only, sir.
Okay.
Actually, sir, after looking at the score 80.75, I thought I have got a decent score. But looking at the exam was very easy, sir. I thought there are only 5 seats. So I was 50-50, but I was quite unsure. But
Yeah.
then you gave me a voice message saying that there are only 3 candidates above me. And in next 7 days, sir, I kept on searching and I kept on asking with the students
Yeah.
about their
I
marks, sir.
still remember even
Yes,
you messaging me also any updates
yes,
on
yes,
the
yes, sir, yes,
score,
yes, sir,
because
yes,
I
sir.
can understand, that is totally human. Even
Yes,
I
sir,
would
yes,
have
sir.
done the same, because see,
Yes, yes.
entrance exams are always, about a bit of anxiety and all. And finally, I'm sure that you probably were the first one to look at the results, because among the candidates.
Yes, sir.
So, how was that moment? Okay, when did it actually appear on the screen, and what was that moment? Can you just tell us?
So I can't explain that. I was very, very, very happy, sir. In fact, my family was with me and they all were very happy. They all got relaxed, sir. They were with me for last 8 months of struggle, sir. Sir, actually, there are many people there who study only for 4 to 5 hours and they crack exams. But I am like, my thought needed more hard work, sir. I used to study for 8 to 10 hours a day. For last 8 to 10 months, I have been persistently studying this much, sir. So that was highly motivating for me, and it means a lot to me, sir. Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, yes, sir.
So all at home are happy. So I
Yes,
think
sir.
your parents also must be very proud of you.
Yes,
It's a
yes, sir.
great achievement to be in NIMHANS. I'm sure the viewers listening to you have got a clear idea on your journey, how you prepared for exams, because
Yes, sir.
since you cracked round 1 of AIMS also, they have got a decent idea of AIMS exams. And then, now regarding NIMHANS and your preparation strategies as well. So
Yes,
it is great to hear from you on your preparation and your journey so far. It's
yes,
a
sir.
really proud moment for me also to be a
Yes, sir.
part of your journey. So what do
Thank
you
you, sir.
say
Thank
as
you,
a
sir.
final message to your juniors? Is hard work the most important? Because many students feel that, see, toppers are usually toppers always. Right from school days, they're always remaining as toppers. So is it like that, or
Sir,
what
I'll
final
tell them.
message do you want to convey to your
Yes. Sir,
juniors?
I'll tell them it's not like that, and I'm not a topper like that. So I will tell them just focus yourself towards the studies. Do as much hard work as you can, and apart from that, one thing I will like to tell them, sir, that don't make bigger goals. Okay, you just focus on the upcoming test that you have on the upcoming Sunday, or rather than focusing on the upcoming NEET exam or NIMHANS exam. Just focus on the test that you are going to give on the Sunday, and you try to give best of your potentials. I mean, you try to score under 5 rank, and first rank, second rank in the test that you are going to approach upcoming Sunday, because you approach these exams, your course will get completed. And sir, what I have seen is the people who score well in these tests only, and they are the ones who come out as toppers, sir. Yes.
The precise reason, you know, also when I keep exams, because see, when I designed this course for the neurology course, I wanted to make it a point that it should not be a course where you just upload some lectures and you go off.
Yes,
it's
sir.
like the students should actually have a target. That is why
Yes,
I
sir. Small targets. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I've given them small targets. This exam you prepare, so that they will listen to the lectures as well and finish it then and there, rather than,
Yes,
you
sir.
know,
Yes, sir.
just telling, okay, you watch the lectures and just ask me any doubts. So that is the importance of attempting the exams also. Okay.
Yes,
Even
yes.
now
Sir,
also
very important,
for the,
very important.
yeah, for the NEET SS exam also, you might have seen we have announced elite exam series. So where
Yes,
we
yes,
have not only for neurology, other subjects like nephrology, cardiology, medical
yes, yes.
gastroenterology, oncology. We have courses for that also. And
Yes,
we
sir.
have announced exam series again, you know, just
Yes,
to make them complete the portions within that particular time frame, so
yes,
that
sir.
they have short-term goals. I again borrow your word there, short-term
Yes,
goals, so that
yes, yes.
because even when you play a cricket test match also, you have got to win individual sessions to win a match. Correct? No?
That keeps us involved, sir. That keeps us
Exactly.
involved. Yes, yes,
Exactly.
sir. Hmm.
So thanks a lot, you know, Ravi,
Yes, sir.
for
Thank you so much,
joining
sir.
us. Okay,
Yes.
just the exam results, you know, have been announced, and I'm sure your words, maybe in the years to come also, for students preparing for the institute exams, will be definitely benefited. And thanks a
Yes, sir.
lot, and wishing you a successful professional as well as a happy personal life also. And
Thank
I'm
you so
sure
much,
you
sir.
will
Thank you
be
so much.
a great neurologist, and hoping that, you know, one day we'll meet in a
Yes, sure,
neurology
sir. Sure.
conference as well. Okay, and share
Yes, yes, sir.
ideas and happy feelings, everything. Okay, all right.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, and best wishes to all the aspiring candidates, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Ravi.
Okay.